Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can insert video in PowerPoint. So the first step you simply need to do is to open PowerPoint. So I'm going to add a new slide here. So let me add a blank slide. So once you added a slide, you simply need to go onto the insert. Here you need to click on video. You can add from this device, from stock video, from online video. So I'm going to use this device for example. Click on downloads and go on to the video section, and this is the video I want to add. So let me make it a smaller little bit, and if you want to play you can click here and you can play as well this video. So here you can see that this video is now playing here, as you can see. So this is the easy process how you can insert video in PowerPoint. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.